Good morning. Well, we are creating a website. In fact, we created a website. The URL was too long. We updated. Now, how do we add an SSL log icon to the domain name? So how do we make the domain name secure? So we are going to upload a plugin there. So let's see. Let me it might take a few minutes for we are going to log into the website. And we are just going to wait a little bit for the website to open up for us. And you can see that it is now is saying that it's not secure here. So when you create a website and you have that, how do you fix it? So let's go to plugin on the left sidebar here. We can just click on add new. And I'm going to type, and pretty much the icon we see here, a log pad icon that we see at the corner, right corner of the domain name is SSL. So we are going to, and with Bluehost account, it is provided, it is free. So pretty much what we are going to do here, we are going to search it, and I'm just going to put SSL in the search bar there, and I'm looking for real simple SSL, and that's this one here. And I'm just going to click on install now, and it's compatible with the version of WordPress that we have. And I'm going to click on activate. Depending on how you create your website from your Bluehost account, it may now automatically have it for you. So you might have to install it on the domain, on your website. The way we are doing it, you log into your domain name, you log in into your WordPress site, and under dashboard you click on plugin and you click on add plugin. So we'll click on activate SSL. And at this point, don't know, let me show you. When I say I activate SSL, we have it there, but it logs us out of it and want us to log back in. So I'm going to log back in for us to see if we have everything sorted out. Because when your client wants to access your page and is saying it's not secure, some browser may not even open it for them, or when they see that the website, the browser is saying that it's not secure, they may not continue logging into it. So it'll be good to add the SSL plugin, and since Bluehost has it available, or is not charging to make your site secured, it's just good we fix the issue. right from the start. So now I log into my Bluehost, my WordPress. I log into my website, and you can see that I can see the icon. I can see the log pad there already. So, well, we fixed it. But now it's going to give us all of those things that are now up to date. You just have to click on it to see if that's something you wanted to update or not. Some of them I just leave it like that because you'll, especially this one, you'll state a few things that if you enable it, you have to, I mean, there is a situation when you have to know how to make some adjustment to it when you are in that situation. So, and I'm not a 90 savvy, so I don't like to complicate it. So I'm just going to leave it there and play around it with to see what I need to do, what I don't. But here, this one, for example, I'll just click on that X and get it out of there. So that's pretty much it. So we have our SSL done. Our site is secure, and that will be what this step will be. Thank you so much for watching. I'm Afiavi Ojune Liberman, creators of Liberman Consulting L.L.C. YouTube channel, and an owner of our blog ninasoup.com, and owner of our natural store ninasoup.com, and we have our custom apparel store liberlabel.com. Thank you so much, you all that subscribe to our channel. Thank you for all your comments, and thank you for watching our video.